Hi, and Merry Christmas to everybody. And we're here today to tell you about a recipe I have got for happiness. So if you've got a pen or paper and pad there and you want to write it down, feel free. Right, here we go. The recipe I've come up with, and it beats all your recipes, this. You don't have to have Jamie Oliver and all them. We won't find another recipe like this, but I found this in the lockdown and I've had it for years and years, this. And the recipe is Recipe for Happiness. It's 1 pound of unselfishness, 1 pound of good temper, half a pound of charity, half a pound of helpfulness, flavoured with a teaspoonful of tact, and mixed with the contents, bake in the oven of life, take a little every morning, it will keep you for years. Now if you have a mince pie, that won't keep you for years. A minute on the lips, it's a lifetime on the hips. But this says it'll keep you for years. So how good is that? That's the best recipe I've come across yet. So I just want to go over the recipe one more time with you. So have you got your papers and pens ready? Are you listening? Right, the recipe for happiness. 1 pound of unselfishness, 1 pound of good temper, half a pound of charity, half a pound of helpfulness, flavour with a teaspoonful of tact, and mix with the contents, bake in the oven of life, take a little every morning, it will keep you for years. Now a mince pie won't do that for you, will it? But that does. So I hope you've got that recipe wrote down. So thank you very much. Merry Christmas everybody and a Happy New Year. Blessings to you.